So let's go to the tutorial. This is how your video is going to look like. Mount your camera and record yourself kicking something. You pretend to be kicking something, maybe once, twice, 3 times, or as many as you want. I did my own 4 times, so you can do as many as you want, or even once is okay. All right, so you might want to increase the speed of the video because I increased my own speed just 2 times 2. You click on add overlay, then bring in the picture of your green screen. It has to be a picture, not necessarily a video. All right, you can get your own from TikTok or anywhere. Then click on remove BG. You click on chroma key, then go to adjust. The same line, you go to adjust, click on HSL, then click on that green color, the green color, and then drag saturation to -100. Then you check it. So you drag the green screen to the end of your video. All right, so you might want to increase the size of your rock or decrease it as much as you want. So I increase my own a little bit. Okay, so first of all, you drag the rock up. You take it up first. After you take it up, you click on keyframe. You add the keyframe. So as soon as you want to kick, you bring the rock down to your leg. It will be the exact measurement where your leg stopped. So when you bring your leg down, you take the rock up. Okay, you want to kick, you bring the rock to your leg. Then when you bring your leg down, you take the rock up to any side, but don't take it up final, just take it up a little bit to any side. Then when you want to kick again, you bring the rock down again to that particular place that you kicked. When you bring your leg down, you take the rock up. You want to kick again, you bring the rock down to the exact position where your leg kicked. That's how you'll be doing it, whether it's once, twice, 3 times, depending on how many times you want to kick. Okay, so when you want to kick the last one, because you're going to kick the rock out, so immediately you bring the rock down. As you are stepping down, as your leg is going down, you take the rock finally out of the screen. All right, you take it finally, and that is it. Let's play the video and see. You can see what we have here. So the last one that I kicked, the rock went out finally. Okay, just carefully observe your own so that it will look so real and you will not make any mistake. Then you can go and add sound just to make it real. You add sound, you click on audio. As soon as you want to kick, you place your line there, click on audio, then click on sound effects. You type kick sound so that it will give you that sound of kicking. Type kick sound and search. So we have a lot of them. You just play the one that play all of them and choose the one that match your video. Okay, so I'm trying to choose the one that will match my video. Okay, this is what I choose. I'll first of all increase the volume. Then make sure it is in that exact place that I kicked so that the sound will match with my video. Okay, on the second place that I kicked, I will also duplicate the sound, drag it to that second place that I kicked. Okay, then you do the same for the 3rd and 4th place. Okay, do the same for the 3rd and 4th place. If your own is 5th, 6th, or as many as your own is, you do the same for all of them. So once you are done, you play your video to make sure that the sound match. All right, let's play the video. So this is how your video is going to look like. Okay, once you are done, you save your video. Thanks for watching. Bye.